So the biggest mistake people make when it comes to trading Forex. Now there's a lot of mistakes you can make, especially as a beginner, but I wanna go over just a couple of them for you guys, give you guys some tips really quick. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is trading during the wrong session. Now, if you're trading something like US 30, maybe NASDAQ, it's a US based pair. Don't trade these things at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 o'clock, or even 8 o'clock at night. Trade them at 6:30 in the morning PST every single day because that is a New York session. During New York session, that's when the most volume is gonna come in on these pairs. You can't be trading pairs that don't correlate with the sessions you're trading. You're just not gonna get no volume. And without volume, unfortunately, you're not gonna have good setups. Overcomplicating things. I see a lot of people have all these different little fancy gadgets on their screen. They got these little indicators and they got 100 time frames that they're going through. Stop doing all that. It's nonsense. Stick to 1 or 2 time frames. For me, I'm on the 5 and 1 minute chart because I scalp. I stick to the right session and I don't overcomplicate things. I take simple trades, simple price action, and I just do the same thing every day. Consistency is key. You guys got to stop overcomplicating things and trading at the wrong time. It's killing you guys. It's killing your growth in the markets, and it's not the right way to do it. That's my tips for the day. Another beautiful day. I'm right here in my movie theater room. As you guys can see, another $48,000 profitable day. Just show you guys, of course, it's a live account. It's always a live, real account. No demo. Most people are gonna get on here, they're gonna show you demos. They're gonna say, join my group, blah, blah, blah. Whatever they say, it's nonsense. I'm gonna show you the profits, I'm gonna show you what's real, and I'm gonna break it down for you guys for free just to help you guys out. The least you can do is hit a like on this reel, and let's get into the breakdown. So we got a lot of things telling us to sell. We have a lot of confidence here, and I'm able to take the sell position feeling good about it because we exhausted those bears for a while, and now the bears are ready to take back over because overall the higher time frame is a bearish market. I would have taken a sell position here. I would have been happier taking a sell position here, but again, I didn't. I got in very late, waited a few candles. I waited for that volume to kick in. The main thing is I like to trade at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is New York session, okay? But 6:30 a.m. Pacific time is when it starts to kick in, which would have been on this candle. So I wanted to kind of see what's happening. Is it going to reverse here? It came down strong, closed strong. I felt good about that. And then as price came down to here, took my sell position. The rest was history. This ended up being a 1,500 pip move, but I ended up getting out early because I felt good with where I was. I felt like I had a good amount of profits on the table, so I took them. And again, this is not my stop loss, by the way. Stop loss would have been like that. Everything felt good. Everything felt great. Kind of what I do overall when I'm looking at US 30. Question that I get all the time is, now that you've made it, how does it feel? I'm going to put it into a very simple perspective. I have not made it to even 10% of where I personally want to go. And for you guys at home who are thinking like, I want to get to this level or this level, just make sure that there's a plenty of levels to anything you have in mind. Now, what I mean by that is, I want to make $1 million and then I'm okay with that. That's it. Like, I've made $10 million, but I want to make more. I want to make 100 million, 200 million, 300 million. I want to make $1 billion. But for me, it's like, I haven't made it yet. I haven't made it until I've reached my final goal. And my final goal kind of just keeps going and going and going anyways. So for me, I'm always looking to be better. I'm always looking to strive. I have not made it yet, and I don't plan on ever making it because I just want to keep going. I want more. So I just keep working for it. I got something to strive for. And you guys should be doing the same thing. You shouldn't have one set goal. Hit that goal, be satisfied. Never can be satisfied with anything you have. Keep going, keep working, have hundreds of goals, and keep chasing those goals every day. Motivate yourself. Look for motivation online. Look for motivation within yourself, but keep going and chasing those goals because one goal is not enough. You need at least 500.
45,000 in 1 week. We make money, we spend money, we have fun. I'm a happy man,
I know you weren't satisfied with the last decision.
There comes a point in time where you got to ask yourself, what did you eat for breakfast? And if it wasn't money, you're doing something wrong. This is my Bentley Continental GT 2023, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour. So out of all my cars, I got the Lambo, the Maybach, the Rolls. This one definitely, to me, drives the best. Not only is it like just smooth, but it's aggressive, it's fast. We got a little comfort mode, sport mode, Bentley mode. We can switch it up, whatever we're feeling for the day. Now, a lot of people think that the Bentley in particular is not really a fast car. It's more like a luxury. It's like a Rolls Royce. This is the Continental GT edition. What that means is it's fast as f. I want you guys to just go to the back, listen to the engine. I'm gonna rev it a little bit and give you a little sample of what this is really packing. So come on. Alright, that's good. as you guys can see, man, we got a fat ass V12 engine in here. I don't know nothing about cars. I know this car's fast. I know it's loud. I know it's got a V12 engine, and that's about it. I also know my neighbor's really loud right now, so we're gonna go somewhere else. Come on. So another reason this car is one of my favorites in my collection. I mean, as you guys can see, we got the red interior. We got the Bentley logo in red. I mean, everything's red. The ground's red, the floor is red, the back seats, it's all red. It's all blooded out. So definitely mess with that. I think it looks really good. It looks really classic and you know. So the first car that I ever had, it was a 2003 Ford Focus. Spent $1,000 on it, saved up for like a year straight just to get this car. Got the car, ended up wrecking it about 2 weeks later. And from that point, it was like my lowest point. I was making no money, wasn't making nothing, had no car. It was horrible. I had a son. It was just a lot happened. But in those moments, I worked really hard. I stayed up all night learning to trade. And by year number 3.5, I was making thousands of dollars trading. Got all the cars I wanted, all the houses I wanted. But it took a lot of time, took a lot of dedication, took a lot of heart. And I just kept sticking to it. And I went and I went. I want to show you guys kind of like where I'm at now after 5 years of hard work. But stuck with it for 3 years. I want to show you guys what you can get if you actually stick to what you want to do and do what you got to do. So let's go see, right? Yo, another day, another car ruined, as you guys would say. I'm gonna be honest, I might have ruined this one a little bit because it's a classic car, but you know, I'll be fucking around doing whatever I want to these cars. I'll fuck with it though, it's different. I think it fits in the collection pretty well. What you think, bro?
Hey, it looks nice. Now you got a matching one from over there.
Yes, sir.
Over there.
I missed this thing.
Wow, the door jams are nice too.
McLaren next, we'll see what happens. We're back in this bitch, man. I'm about to spend who knows how much today. Hopefully not too much, but every time I'm here I spend at least 6 figures, so wish me luck. You gonna go with it? Meant to be. How much for this?
It's gonna be $34,480.
34,480. It's going out.
There you go.
4,000 received. And we out of here.
Boom. Just like that.
I know you guys see the jewelry, man, and the question that I get every single day is, what does the jewelry cost? So I'm gonna break that down for you guys right now. First off, we got the star ring, it's about 10,000. We got the Mamba ring, it's another 10,000. We then have the mambafx logo ring. This was like 8,000. We got the little, I don't know what this is, I picked it up, it looked cool. That's about $5,000. Now, left wrist, AP, bust down, diamonds everywhere, 57,000. $20,000 Cuban right here. It's a $10,000 Cuban right here. We got the rose gold Rolex right here. This was $30,000. What am I missing? Oh, we got the Mamba piece right here again. This was $40,000. It's on a $50,000 chain. mambafx piece. It's like a brick right here. This shit is heavy. This is like $80,000 for $30,000 chain, and then followed by my big Cuban right here. This was $70,000, which is a total of, I have no idea. A lot of money, costs a lot. That's what I walk around with every single day. Now you know.